Dear students of Standard 10, welcome to Botany class. How are you everybody? Hope you all are well and safe by the grace of Allah. In this class, we are going to discuss the last portion of chapter 4, that is bioenergetics. Today, we will discuss how many molecules of ATP are produced from one molecule of glucose in aerobic respiration process. Okay everybody, let's start the class. Everybody see the chart. This one is the stages of aerobic respiration process. You know that in aerobic respiration process there are 4 stages. First one is a glycolysis process. Here in glycolysis process, one molecule of glucose is broken down and produces, here is see, everybody see, there is substrate produced. So from one molecules of glucose broken down in glycolysis stage and produces 2 molecules of pyruvic acid, 2 molecules of NADH2 and 4 molecules of ATP. When glucose is broken down, here 2 molecules of ATP is used. So we get here 6 ATP from 2 molecules of NADH2. Because we know that here 1 molecule of NADH2 is equal to 3 molecules of ATP. So from 2 molecules of ATP we get 6 ATP and 4 ATP, here is 2 molecules of ATP is used. So from 4 molecules of ATP, here is 2 used and left 2 is here. Then acetyl-CoA stage. In acetyl-CoA stage, here 2 molecules of pyruvic acid is used and produces 2 molecules of acetyl-CoA, 2 molecules of carbon dioxide and 2 molecules of NADH2. So from 2 molecules of NADH2 we get 6 ATP. And then last one is a Krebs cycle. In the Krebs cycle, huge amount of ATP is produced. Here 2 molecules of acetyl-CoA is used and produces 4 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of NADH2, 2 molecules of FADH2 and 2 molecules of GTP. From 6 molecules of NADH2, here is produces 8 ATP, because we know that here 1 NADH2 is equal to 3 ATP. Okay, and from 2 molecules of FADH2 we get 4 ATP, because 1 FADH2 equal to 2 molecule of ATP. So from 2 FADH2 we get 4 ATP. And here is 2 molecules of GTP. From 2 molecules of GTP we get 2 ATP, because 1 ATP equal to 1 ATP. So from this discussion and this calculation we get 38 ATP and 6 molecules of carbon dioxide. So we can say that in aerobic respiration process, from 1 molecules of glucose 38 ATP is produced. Okay, and also 6 molecules of carbon dioxide produced. Okay everybody, now let's see the anaerobic respiration process. You know the anaerobic respiration process which occurs in absence of oxygen. It is called anaerobic respiration process. That is, in anaerobic respiration process, the respiratory substance or substrate are partially or incompletely oxidized with the help of enzyme and to produce different type of organic compound like ethyl alcohol, lactic acid, etc., carbon dioxide and small amount of energy. Here everybody see, here is glucose. Glucose is a respiratory substrate. So in anaerobic respiration process, the glucose incompletely oxidized without the help of oxygen. So here is glucose broken down with the help of 2 molecules of ATP and produces 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. So from 2 molecules of pyruvic acid, we get ethyl alcohol or alcohol and carbon dioxide. If alcohol is produced, here will be 2 molecules of carbon dioxide is produced. But if ethyl alcohol is not produced, here is produced only 2 molecules of lactic acid. And this anaerobic respiration process takes place in the cytoplasm, also mitochondria. In anaerobic respiration process, only 2 molecules of ATP is produced and small amount of energy. So everybody, today up to this, and this one is the last lecture of your syllabus. Okay everybody, thank you.